Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI.
It's December here in Ohio and things are getting very cold. And by things, I mean my tootsies. And these beautiful warm socks from ICEIVY keep my toes nice and warm whether I'm inside doing housework or outside working in the garage. I love the material that they're made from. They are soft and comfortable, thick enough to keep my toes warm, but not so thick that they don't fit in my favorite shoes and boots. I also love the beautiful design and colors. I've washed and worn these several times and they show no signs of the color fading or the material wearing out. I seriously wear these socks every day. The company offers different designs and styles, so I've got 2 different designs and I've thrown out all my other socks because these are my favorites and nothing else will do. This company has even gone the extra mile to make the shipping box extra cute. So if you're looking for an adorable, comfortable, and durable pair of socks to make your feet feel like they're wrapped in a cozy blanket all day, then you're going to love these socks from ICEIVY.
And that's my point of view.